This is a review of this faucet that we put in our kitchen for our travel trailer. We needed a new faucet because ours was having problems with flow of water. We bought this one and we are very pleased and happy with it. It is not one that has a pull down where you can go further. It does pull and maneuver around. It does have a couple spray settings that you can use as well. There's your settings. Hot, cold as always, and it was very, very easy to install. We love the way that it looks. We love the functionality of it. We love the style. Because this does not have a detach where you can pull down further, there's no extra tubing underneath, and you know, in RVs, having more room for storage is awesome. So if you're looking for a new faucet to use in your RV, you may want to get one of these. I give this a 5 out of 5 stars.